So, after that preamble, the reason I didn't like the one that I have temporarily given up on is because it was 1/100 scale, which is in line with like master grade kits, but it went together like a high grade kit where it had like very few pieces. Welcome back, Slayer. So yeah, it was big, but like an overly simplistic kit, and it was supposed to have a lot more detail to it, but to make it cheaper, they print big pieces in one color of plastic, and then they give you stickers to correct the color of the part. But I don't want to use stickers everywhere, so I ended up painting stuff, and it just was taking forever to do. Yeah, but then if you don't use the stickers, then the whole thing is just going to be one color, and that color is white. So it would have been less interesting. Slayer. I've done Lego, but I don't know. I haven't done any recently. It's not that I'm not interested in it. Just I think it's expensive. Not very wormy today, unless your name is Slayer. Did I take the wrong one? Okay, what? No, this is the right thing. I think so. I think it's more expensive. Like for example, the yeah, okay. How much was the piranha plant? Does know. Yeah, it's almost like solid plastic, so it kind of makes sense. But like I don't know if you've seen um the Legend of Zelda kit that came out, Ev, but it's like $300. It is a big kit. Like granted, it's large, and you do get to choose between the Breath of the Wild and Ocarina version, but it's so expensive. The other thing is like there's like I don't have the desire to like customize Lego, or like I would just build the kit as is. Um, like I wouldn't mix and match things.